Are you okay? What does he speak like?
Squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak. He cries sometimes when he's hungry.
He's gonna poke you, isn't he?
Oh, he loves you.
I'm gonna poke my brother.
You love him?
Yes.
Say, I love you, baby Cash.
I love you, big Cash.
Where's he going?
Yeah, hold that head up there.
He's going to Mama.
You want me to hold him?
Yes. No, I want to
What about
hold him.
Julie's turn?
He's going to Mama. You okay?
You have so much love. Sisters and brothers and moms and dads. Grandmas.
He's crying. He's crying, Mommy.
Oh,